a snowstorm also in Jamaica. But you see this drink. This drink name is XO Mix. It's a vodka mix drink. Look. It have 5.9% alcohol. You have to be 18 and over to be drinking. It's not an energy drink. It's a vibe drink. When I'm lonely, I drink this because it keeps me warm and cozy and put me in the vibe even though I'm lonely. You can get this drink from Jamaica in Kingston. They do island wide shipping. This is my favorite drink. It has a very affordable price and a lot. You know, it's very cold in Jamaica. Big up XO Vodka Mix in the snowstorm. You know, flower done?